Welcome to the U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please support us on Patreon. Please enjoy the next video.
Hello, my name's Elliot. This is my 1987 Camaro, Iroc Z. I've had it for about 5 years now. When I got it, it was not in this condition. I found it in central Wisconsin in a barn. It was a barn find, you could say. Hauled it home, put a lot of love into it, a lot of cleaning, a lot of detailing. Got it restored, paint job, metallic blue. It's beautiful.
What's the manufacturer of the paint?
You know what? You got me there, buddy.
It's a brilliant blue.
It's an electric blue.
There you go.
Yeah.
And look at this. You got those
I got the halos on there, correct. They look great during the day, even better at night.
Wow.
They just pop. I can turn them on for you.
Sure, would you?
Yes. These right here, these are the low beams. These are the cruising lights.
There you go.
It needed some transmission work. Got the transmission totally done. It's a 700R transmission with a Corvette shift kit in it.
And what does that allow you to do? Shift faster? You know,
It shifts quicker, smoother. It's got some good torque at the rear end. For a 32-year-old car, it's got, you know, good horsepower. The original motor was blown on it. So when I bought it, it had a crated 350 V8. It's only got 18,000 original miles on the motor. The engine bay does need work, but maybe this year, this winter off season. Put aftermarket Iroc rims on there. Put the little center hubcap myself. Painted them, got them painted blue, the same color as the car.
Cool.
Like I said, a lot of cleaning. It was completely destroyed in the inside there.
And that accent with the steering wheel, the color?
Yes.
Perfect.
That's a Grand steering wheel I put on there myself. I mean, you know, when you have a car, you put it at your own taste, what you like.
Right,
And this is what I like.
And then you got the upgrade with the T-tops.
Correct. It's the,
So if a car is this good a condition, you probably have a decent sound system.
yes, I do. I have a couple of 12-inch Type R's with an 1800 watt audio pike amp. Nice little Alpine radio. It sounds good. Got some 6x9s in there, some 4x6s, a couple of 4-inchers on the kick panels. It sounds good. Like I said, it's a fun car to drive.
Sure. And what kind of exhaust do you have?
It's an old school. It's got cherry bombs on there, direct from the. I don't have headers yet, but that's my plan over the winter. It sounds good.
Cool. And then, can we see the engine?
Sure. Like I said, the engine bay needs some work.
There you go, my friend.
Thank you, bud.
Cool.
But everything comes in due time.
Right, exactly.
I did suspension work to it. I mean, like I said, transmission. It has no rust. When I bought it, it had absolutely no rust. For a 32-year-old car, is incredible.
Right.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Can we hear how the car sounds?
Sure.
All right. That is sweet. That is sweet.
Thank you.
So have you won any car show awards?
This is my first one of the year, so I'm going to say no, not for this year. Unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 we're going through, hasn't been too many car shows. Now they're starting to pop up, so hopefully I can get a few before the season ends this year.
And what kind of wax do you use?
I use, hold on, it's a new wax, and it's great. It's like my, where are you? This Lucas.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Really,
this
really.
stuff is great.
Really? Really?
I mean, it is awesome.
Cool.
Thanks for watching US Classic Muscle Car.
If you want to see more of these cool cars, please watch the next video. We have the keys and we're gonna get your car next.